Okay, I'm trying to see if we are going. Yes. Okay. So I am showing you cards tonight. I am not able to do Facebook Live. I started this and got through 1.5 cards and then realized I hadn't ever hit record. So, trying again. I'm not doing Facebook Live tonight. My hairdresser called and had an appointment for Wednesday evening, so I grabbed it. So I'm recording this ahead of time, and I will post it in the Facebook group so you can see it Wednesday evening during normal Facebook Live time. So what we're making cards with tonight, we're not doing any stamping. I know it sounds crazy, but we're not doing any stamping. We're using the Memories and More cards, and these are the Tropical Oasis. Let me pull this out of the way just for a minute. So they come with a bunch of 3x4 cards, and these are meant to be used for memory keeping, but they're great for card making too. And it comes with 2 of each card, and they're double-sided. And then there's what's left after I've made cards. There are 4 sheets of stickers, 2 each of these. You can see I've used a couple already. And then there are some 4x6 cards, and these are also 2-sided. So, while I thought you were watching, we made this card. So this is one of the Memories and More cards. They are 3x4, so then it's a 3¼ by 4¼ piece of early espresso. I'll show you my trick with this sticker here on this card. I'm going to finish up, but this is one of the stickers. This is the braided trim that goes with the suite, and then I think this is Old Olive. Yeah, Old Olive card base. So that was the first card we made when I thought you were watching. And then this is the second one. And so I've already put the paper on and then my braided trim. So now I'm going to get another one of these stickers. And this one says Sunshine and Tropical Greetings. So because I want it to be popped up with dimensionals, I have to do something because it's all sticky on the back. So what you do is you take your embossing buddy and you just go all over the back of it with your embossing buddy. And so that powder that's in the embossing buddy comes out and makes it not a sticker anymore. So now I can put a dimensional on it, which are here somewhere because I had to go get them. I know they're here. Here they are. And this time I'm going to put a dimensional towards the bottom of it, I think. Well, all right, and so that's going to go right down here. And then I'm going to take one of the hearts and put it there. And then the other thing that we're using that goes with this suite are these little trinkets. And so I've used quite a few. There's a ukulele, a leaf, a hibiscus, and there were pineapples, but we've used all the pineapples. So I'm going to use a hibiscus because that's what's in the middle here, and another glue dot. And we'll just put that right here. There you go. And this one, the first one I did, I kind of frayed the end of the braided trim. This one I decided not to. I just left it plain. All right, so card number 2. 2 more. All right, this is the next one that we're going to make. And this is Daffodil Delight card base. And so if you find something you like, then just, this is 1 sheet of Daffodil Delight that I've cut in half and then scored. So you can make 2 cards. Since you have 2 of each card in the set, then you can make 2 cards. So that's what I did. When I figured it out, then I just cut all the pieces so I would have it ready to make another one. Which is why I can't go back and show you the card that you didn't get to see when I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But that's okay. You'll get the idea from these other ones. So this is one of the 4x6 Memories and More. So I just trimmed it off because 4 inches is what we want here, but we only want it to be 5¼ So I just trimmed a little bit off each end to make it 5¼ And then this is one of the 3x4. So I'm going to put that on a piece of soft suede. that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and then this I want to be up on dimensionals. And put that in the middle of this. And then some more braided trim. Don't need too much for this one, just a little piece. And I'm going to fray the ends of it, so I'm going to take my glue dots. Oops. I may have just done one in the middle actually, but we'll do 2 close together. Make sure it stays. Oh, if it doesn't get stuck to my hand, there we go. Just put that right down there. Again, fray the ends of it. This trim is also retiring, so as are the Memories and More cards. So if you want any of this, and the trinkets, I'm pretty sure the trinkets are too. And then I took from the trinkets one of the leaves, again, glue dot. And then just stick that down in the middle. And there you go, card number 3. These are super quick and easy. And again, no stamping. All right, last one. So this is another of the 4x6. And so I cut it down. Mahalo, I believe, is thank you. And then this is a Mango Melody base. And then I decided to add just a little piece of red. So the red is 5 1/2, but it's like 4 1/8 or something, or maybe it's 4 1/4. It might be 4 1/4. I mean 4. I'm sorry, 4. And then I cut this down. So put this on the red. And it's going to be a little closer on the sides than it is on the bottom, which is why I decided to mat it on the red and leave some of the Mango Melody on the top and bottom, because I didn't want to cut off too much of this card. All right, piece of trim, about like that. We'll put it on with glue dots. Fray the ends. And this time I want to use one of these pretty hibiscus stickers. So again, our little trick with our embossing buddy. You have to move your finger, because otherwise if you leave your finger in the same place the whole time, then that place will stay sticky. All right, and so I probably want to put my dimensional on this tip so that it can go over the trim. And these are small enough that one will hold it. Oops. And then we might as well add a trinket too. Why not? So this is the ukulele. And I just thought he was fun sitting right here by the flower. There you go. So, quick and easy cards, 4 of them. Let me bring them all back in so you can see my trinkets out of the way before I spill what's left of them. So mahalo is thank you, love your smile. sunshine and tropical greetings and thinking of you today and always. So who wouldn't like to get a bright and cheery card like this in the mail, especially right now? All right, thank you, and I will see you next week. Should be back live next week. All right, thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.